Like any good project, step one is jack up your car. Hold on, we need to start from the beginning. We rescued our Corolla from a friend that didn't have the time or motivation to work on it anymore. The car was parked under a tree for about 3 years and trying its best to return to the earth. But that didn't matter because the price was right for this little automotive icon. Knowing nothing about the service history of the car, we didn't want to risk damaging anything by trying to start the engine before giving it the once over. So that left us with brute force to get it in the garage. Our little Corolla is pretty much bone stock with the big 1.6 liter single overhead cam powerhouse, putting out all of 87 horsepower. Not that you can tell, but the underside of the car isn't in terrible shape. We'll need to take care of some of the surface rust on the rear axle and suspension parts, but a lot of that may go away with upgraded pieces. So now we can jack up the car. We definitely want the car on dollies to make it easier to move around the garage. Rinse and repeat. So this is where the Corolla will live for the next few months while we get it in shape to move under its own power. The gas door works. That's a good thing. The gas has been in the tank for at least 4 years. It has to go. Seems spicy flies like Toyota reliability too. Sorry guys, but you gotta go. We'll need a few things to get the old gas out of the tank. If we're going to get the engine running, we have to swap out the turpentine in the tank for something a little more combustible. And with that smelly bit of work complete, let's keep rolling. Figuratively, of course. It's time to give the engine that once over. Let's see if we can even get it to rotate. This is promising. It seems to be turning over freely. We need electricity, so we'll throw in a new battery. Oil's seen better days, but it's good enough because we're just trying to get the engine started. We're getting close. Let's remove the breather just in case the air filter is completely blocked. Fuel filter looks new. Quick coolant check. Yep, green stuff. Looks good. Now's the scary part. Let's record the compression numbers for each cylinder.
All right, there we go.
Ready?
Yep. All right, good.
If the compression numbers are low or wildly different, the engine is toast.
All right, recording. Fingers are clear.
Our Toyota 4AC was a low compression engine. 120 is a good number.
All right, that's good.
The numbers for the first 3 cylinders are spot on, and the 4th one is within 10%. We'll call that good for now. These are the crusty ends of our plug wires, so we decided to fork out the $30 for a new distributor cap, rotor button, and plug wires. We have air and fuel. Now we have to make sure the spark gets to the engine at the proper time. Too much grime on the front of the engine. I can't see anything on the crank pulley or the timing cover. It needs a quick cleaning.
Oh, that cleaned it right up.
Now I need to mark top dead center on the crank pulley so I can see it with the timing light.
I have to turn the light off for it. I'm ready.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, it's way off. Because the ignition timing is so retarded, I'm gonna reach in here, loosen up the bolt that holds the distributor down. I'm gonna advance it just a little bit and then tighten that back up, and hopefully that'll fix our timing issue.
Keep your fingers crossed.